What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about Breaker 19. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a company that just started out not so long ago called Breaker 19. They send out really cool boxes every quarter, okay? 4 boxes a year, and inside each box they got a healthy snack and or beverage, apparel, technology, all different types of promotional stuff for companies that cater to the over-the-road driver and local drivers as well. But I kind of wanted to show you guys what's in the box and what it's all about, you know. So without further ado, I'm just going to open this box up. A nice little letter here, kind of gift wrapped in trucking newspaper, which is pretty cool. Okay, by just opening the box, I can already see that there's way more than $75 worth of stuff in here. First, you get a nice hat, American flag with all the trucks on it. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. We've got cold brew, extra strong organic coffee. This is good stuff. We've got an energy drink in here by Hillcliff. I've never had this one before, but we'll try it out. We've got some Rebel Red metal polish. Always got to have that. Check this thing out. I know this is worth a couple of bucks. This is the Nebo 2K 2000 lumen work light. Every trucker should have one of these in their toolbox. This thing, I mean, come on. Let's see what else we got here. We've got a bunch of cool promotional stuff here. Some body wipes. That's pretty cool. Okay. Got a Breaker 19 rag. Everybody needs to have one of these on their steering wheel, you know. Let's see what else. We've got all these different coupons for healthy drinks and stuff. I know that I need to. Oof, I know. Trust me. I'm getting there. That's whole lot of stuff in here. Savings coupons and stuff for everything for out there on the road. I think this is pretty neat. I think that this could catch on. Why don't you guys go down in the comments, let me know what you think. I'll have a link in the description box as well for all of Breaker 19's information, how to get in touch with them, how to sign up for all this stuff. But to get a box every quarter, basically, 4 boxes a year, I think that's pretty cool. Okay? All the latest tech, you know, I mean, health food stuff. I mean, let's see here. This is an energy drink. Like I said, never had it. It's got no sugar, electrolytes, all that. I mean, this is all good stuff that truckers need on the road. Okay? I'll tell you that right now. Beef jerky, like I said, you got the wipes. I think you should check it out. Let me know what you think. Like I said, all the information in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.